Well, I think it's fair to say that here at SMP we take our customer services very seriously, and anybody that we bring in, we like to make sure that we're getting good service for some of these people. And I think that before Pennine came on board, we hadn't got an accurate record, we'd got no backups to show where we were with our coolant. Providers in those days gave us very little support. I think it's fair to say that since Pennine's come on board, we've got that, the records are good. Well, we've seen many benefits, especially dipslide management and service. That's come in, that complements the monthly reports that we get. That's really good because I got that on hand, it comes by email, I can share it with my production team, they can add it to their weekly maintenance that they do with the machines. All in all, giving us a comprehensive report as part of your PROCARE, and with that I feel confident that all my machines are being well looked after and supported by Pennine Lubricants. I would recommend this service to other companies. When we moved into this premise a couple of years ago, we went with a multi-million-pound investment on large machine tools, on tools that we'd been not used to before. Pennine came in at the offset, helped us design a ring main whereby we've got all this coolant on tap to all the machines in the shop via a hose reel service in 4 logistic positions. This enables us to be more cost effective because we can work from an IBC. It also means that there's less risks involved. We don't have to carry coolant buckets. Everything is now done by a hose. So we've got no problems with spillage, we've got no problems with manual handling. So to me, it's been win-win from the word go.